Guys, there is a question in front of us in regard to the fundamentals of partnership. In this particular question, N and P, they were profit sharing ratio were 3 is to 1. The net profit for the year was 12 lakh 50,000. Interest on capital is also given to us, that is 1 lakh 50,000 and 1 lakh, which we consider in profit and loss appropriation account because these are appropriation of the profits. Now, interest on drawing charged by the firm for the year is 60,000 and 40,000 for N and P respectively is also given to us. Now, here N is to get a commission of 10% on divisible profit. The profit which N and P has to take for themselves on that particular profit, they have to get a N has to get a commission of 10%, right? The question is asking us what is the profit transfer to partners capital account. Here the question is in this form, that you can say in the fill up form because it's an MCQ. So now to solve this question, first of all I'll get you the shortcut here, but first of all, to go along my manner how to solve this question, we will prepare P&L appropriation account. In the P&L appropriation account, we got a profit of 12 lakh 50,000 from which account, that is P&L account. Then after that in the question it's given to me that interest on capital on both the partners, for both the partners was 1 lakh 50,000 and 1 lakh. The total of the net interest on capital is 2 lakh 50,000 here. Interest on drawings were also given to us, that were 60,000 and 40,000, which we also put over here. Now the total of the credit side is 13 lakh 50,000, but the debit side till IOC the point is 2 lakh 50,000. So from 13 lakh 50,000, when I deduct 2 lakh 50,000 from 13 lakh, sorry, from 13 lakh 50,000, when I deducted 2 lakh 50,000, what is the profit left over? That is 11 lakh rupees, right? Now N is to be given a commission of 10% of divisible profit, not of the profit before this particular point. What question is saying, this is your divisible profit, which is left after charging commission, that is your divisible profit, which is payable to the partners, right? Profit transfer to the capital account is your divisible profit. Till here we have not reached our divisible profit for 11 lakh. Now question is saying divisible profits 10%, commission is payable 10 if the divisible profit is 100. Got it? Commission would be 10 if the divisible profit is 100. But we are here at this step, we have not calculated our divisible profit. So what is the total profit? 11 lakh here is 100 plus 10. What this 11 lakh profit is presenting to us, that is divisible profit plus commission. So we will take rate upon 100 plus rate. Mind you, the formula we are taking for the calculation of commission is rate upon 100 plus rate, that is 10 upon 100 plus 10 gives you 110. So what is the commission here? That is 1 lakh. Okay, so now out of 11 lakh, if 1 lakh is the commission, what is the divisible profit now? That is 10 lakh. In the question I was asked my divisible profit to be transferred to the partner capital account, that I was asked divisible profit, that is 10 lakh. Now to check as per the question, what question was saying, and is to be given 10% commission of divisible profit. See, if I consider 10% of this 10 lakhs, 10% commission is 1 lakh. So always remember the case the divisible profit is the last step, and before that if you are taking, then you have to take the point of after charging. What after charging says, that is rate upon 100 plus rate. You can't impose direct method of changing your commission here. Thank you. Accountitude, keep scoring. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.